So hey, hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do the program greatest of three numbers or largest of three numbers. Okay, so I'm going to do in C++. So let's get started. So currently I have an empty project in my dev C++ editor. So begin with that file. So it's going to be hash include iostream and using namespace std and int main. Okay. So first we are going to get the three numbers input from the user. So it's going to be int a comma b comma c. Okay, a comma c, and put a c out saying it to enter the number. Enter a and then enter c in of a and just copy this. Change it for b, c. Okay, so once we have got the input from the user, so next thing what is this, we can just simply finish this code by using AND logic. And so AND returns true only when both the conditions are true. It returns false if any one of the conditions is false. So let's do this code easy way. One of the easiest way to do this code is by using the if statement. So we're going to put if a greater than b and okay, and a greater than c. Okay, so if a is greater than b is true and if a is greater than c is true, true and true will return true. So if condition will be satisfied, it will go inside the condition and will execute the condition code over here. So c out, we will put a is the greatest number. So that's it, this is our code. So to perform for other thing also, you can just basically copy this code over here and you can just paste it twice, and you can just change the conditions over here. For b is going to be b greater than a and it's going to be b greater than c, and you're going to print b is greater, and for c is greater than and c is greater than a, you're going to print c is the greatest. So if you just run this code over here, just execute it, save it. So we are going to enter a, so I will keep enter this as 10, enter b 20 and c as 15. So as you can see here, we have entered, so our value b is the greatest. So we have done, so this is the code. But if you ask me whether this is an optimal way of doing, it's not an optimal way, because for every programmer we need to not only need to execute the condition for our program, but also it has to be optimized. Okay, we need to find the shortest way to perform a particular task. So instead of using these three statements, okay, three if conditions, we can just reduce our code size by using if, else if and else. Okay, so just go over here, you just put else if. Okay, else if, and so first condition is going to be, so this is going to be the first condition, there is no change, that a is greatest, and else if, so we are going to check for b. Okay, so b is greater than a, we are just going to print b is greatest, and next thing is the else. Okay, else, and here we aren't going to give any condition because it's obvious. If a isn't greater than b, if this condition is false, this is won't get, this isn't going to get printed, and this condition is false, so b is also not the greatest and a is also not the greatest, so it's particularly obvious that c is our greatest number. So if you use this if else, it will make you like have a good opinion about your code. Okay, instead of using three if, it will make like a beginner kind of appeal. So using this if else, it's like not only reduces the code size line, it also gives a good appeal of your code. Okay, so now if you just execute it, we'll get the same result basically. So I'll put 10, 20 and 30, so is the greatest. So that's it. So try to use this code, okay, this condition. So this is the code over here. So that's it for the video. I've done also made other tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, etc. and Unity, Blender also 3D animation, so that kind of stuff. Do check out my other videos of my channel and subscribe and support me, and thank you.